news, I've found another platform that uses 180p resolutions and create up to 15 seconds long video. Uses Seedance 2.0 and Veo 3.1 without any cost, no subscription, no cards required, and the quality of videos on this platform are incredibly insane. We are going to explore this platform together. So guys, without much ado, let's get started. All right, the first thing you need to do is open your browser, whether Chrome browser or any browser of your choice, and type this. Let's do this together. It's AI. Okay. Now we want to use this. Please pay attention to the logo always, because if you click the wrong one, you will not get the necessary result. Okay. So I'm going to click this first one. Okay. Check the logo here. Perfect. So if you're using your Android phone, it is the same process, the same address, but make sure you change your phone to desktop site. Once you click on this, okay, once you are here, this is the interface. Amazing. Now the question is, where do I generate from? Here we have design, we have animation, we have website, we have slides, we have mobile. We want the mobile version. Do you understand? But for us, we are going to first create an account. So once you click on that create account, you're going to see login with Gmail, right? So go ahead and select your preferred Gmail, and then let's log into this website. Awesome. So once you are here, if you look around here, there is no place that says create video, generate video. The more reason why I said you shouldn't jump into the platform, because if you miss this part, you've missed it entirely. Okay, so here we are going to set up an account. Okay, fill up your name and your username. All right, next. And you can select this. Awesome. So when you are here, you want to see free, and then you see this. So what we are going to use is this continue with starter. All right, so guys, we are already here. I know what I want to build. All right, build an app. I know what I want to show me that what is possible. So I'm going to click on this to click continue with the platform. Now, once you are here, this is the entire platform. So now this platform uses 0 credit. So quickly, without much ado, you're going to type this, just this, open canvas. Do you understand? And then hit send. Just wait for the platform to bring up the canvas for us to start creating. This is incredibly insane because, guys, I just quickly have to put this out here for you. Awesome. So once you are here, right, you want to see chart, draw, and look down here, you're going to see generate. Now, this is where you're going to click on this generate, and you see video, generate motion clips and animation. Go ahead and click on this video. Now you see this interface will pop up. Okay, and then if you look up here, you're going to see Veo 3.1, and if you click on it, you're going to see Seedance 2.0. But here, guys, the down part of this platform is that it gives you ability to use only text to video and not image to video. I'm very certain they are working on this platform, maybe weeks to come or months to come. They will update this platform to image to video. So while they are still waiting for that to happen, utilize this platform and use text to video for your next project. Guys, select any of these. Let's see the quality on this platform. All right, so if you look at here, this is the aspect ratio. Select your aspect ratio that is suitable for the video you want to generate. And if you look up here, you want to see the resolution. You have up to 180p resolution. And the good thing is that it is free for now. So guys, jump on it. And click here, you can impute up to 15 seconds. And you can turn this audio up. Guys, everything is set. You're going to describe a video you want to create. So quickly, let's test it and let's see the quality on this platform. And for the video I uploaded previously, the platform makes changes. So immediately I dropped the video, the particular feature to import model was literally disabled. But trust me, I'm making my research for more platforms you can use to generate using the motion control effect perfectly well. And with that was the second platform in that video. So utilize that second platform till we are able to come up with another platform you can use okay, for your motion control. And I'm going to paste this prompt here. Awesome. So I want to see if it's going to give us in 15 seconds duration and this resolution, and then Seedance 2.0 and with audio. So guys, let's proceed. Go ahead and hit send. Let's watch. So here is generating. Awesome, guys. So just like that, the video is generating in the same Canva. Okay, so this is how you use this platform. Let's go ahead and preview this. Okay, now for here, you can click on here if we want to view it. Now you can see there is no watermark on it here. It's literally free for you to jump on it and start using. Now let's preview this and see this together.
People think creating videos like this takes weeks, but with AI, everything changes. Watch this.
Now, first look at here, it's 15 seconds. Amazing. So if you're cool with this, you go ahead and hit download. Give your own prompt and let's see the output. Now we are done with Seedance. The same prompt, we want to see how Veo 3.1 looks like. Come down here again and click generate. Once you generate video, and then select the, of course, Veo 3.1, right? So we want to see the quality. The same prompt, and we are going to move things to, and they have this one, Veo 3.1 has up to 4K resolution, and you can literally use up to 8 seconds resolution, and then this turn on the audio effect, and we are going to hit generate. Once we hit generate, watch this down part is generating, and here is still generating. So we are going to wait for it. For in a few time, this video is ready. Now guys, watch this.
People think creating videos like this takes weeks, but with AI, everything changes. Watch this.
Okay, so guys, you can see it's 8 seconds, exactly as we actually wanted, and this is in 4K resolution. Okay, so let me know what you think about this particular platform and the image quality, the video quality, and the quality produced using this platform. So guys, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Now you've seen the two models, Seedance and Veo 3.1. Which one do you think came out the best? You decide for yourself. And guys, thank you for watching till this time. Until then, see you in the next one.